welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are finding my video useful and you are loving it. Please do let me know in the comments if you are liking my videos or not. So today I'm going to show a tutorial video of mini mandalas. Okay, these two I have already pre-cut the papers. One is from Zen Sangam and other one is from Oxford Sheets. You can take any paper if you are a beginner. No need to go for the stationaries. Simply you can practice in white A4 sheets. I have cut this 6 cm into 6 cm paper, white and black both. So today I will show you how to make a mini mandala out of this. So let's get started. So firstly I will start with the white paper, and today I will show how to make grids without the help of protector. Only you need a scale, a pencil, that's it, and a compass obviously. So with the help of the diagonal method, let's point the center of the page. So I've marked the center of the page, you can see it. So now I'll make a circle Now what I will do is divide the paper in 4 halves, or the circle in the 4 halves. See, 4 halves, I have 4 quarters. Now what I will do is I will extend these diagonals so that each cone or each triangle gets half in 2. Okay. Now I will do is again I will mark the half of the each cones. What happens is, making a mini mandala, if you use a protector, you don't have that much of space to mark the dots, right? So you can place a paper, you can place this paper on a big paper, and then from that you can mark the grids as well. You can do it on freehand also. So let's connect them. You can see I have made the grids in both the papers with the same technique. So now we'll start with the mandalas. Again, if you want, you can draw the patterns, you can draw the outlines with the pencil first and then make the final part. I will start with a pen. Here I'm using Brustro 0.1 mm pen. So this is the final one. Here I have colored the motifs with the use of this brush pen. If you don't have any brush pen, or if you are a beginner, you can do it with a red gel pen or green gel pens, or you can do it with sketch pens also. So this is how it looks, mini mandala. Now I will start with the black one. For the black one, I'm using a jelly roll pen. You can get it on Amazon very easily, of 08 size. See, this is how it looks. See, this is how it looks. Jelly roll pens are very, very easy to use. They are very smooth, they are very fine. In jelly roll pens, 3 sizes are available. One is 10. Another one which I am using is 08, and one is 05. Okay. 10 is the thickest. It is the thickest. The nib is very thick. You can see. The nib is very thick. So both the mandalas are ready. See how beautiful this is looking. Black on white and white on black.